will discuss the storyline of Mayor of Casterbridge. In chapter 1, there is a young hairdresser named Michael Henchard. Michael Henchard is the hero, the protagonist of the novel, and he came upon a village fair with his wife Susan and his daughter Elizabeth Jane. So this family walked along a road in the English countryside towards a large village named Weydon Priors. And they came upon a fair and they stopped for food. Henchard, along his wife Susan and Elizabeth Jane, entered a furmity tent. And then he got drunk. His wife Susan accommodates him again and again, but Susan is completely in a state of drunk, and he talked in a very odd manner, and he bemoans his lot as a married man, and he was cursing his state as a married man. Okay, then in a state of semi-consciousness, in a drunken state, he tells the group gathered in a furmity tent that he would be worth £1,000. He would be worth £1,000. Fine. Then a sound of an auctioneer, he interrupts his musing, and in a jesting mood he jokes that he would be willing to sell his wife. Now Henchard declares in a drunken state that he would like to sell his wife. Fine. So he auctioned his wife there, and if someone wanted to buy her. Now his wife Susan begged him and to stop his teasing and declaring that it is getting serious, but he paid no heed to what she was saying, and he begins to bark out prices like an auctioneer and increasing the cost of his wife and child when no one takes his offer. When the price reached 5 guineas, then a sailor came up there and he agrees to the trade. Fine. So finally the deed was done between Michael Henchard and a sailor, that he auctioned his wife Susan along with his daughter Elizabeth Jane for just a petty amount of 5 guineas. Now Susan went off with Elizabeth Jane and the sailor, and Henchard fell off, collapsed in a state of drunkenness. This is the summary. This is the storyline of chapter 1.